Hello and welcome to another display corner video here at CDS. Very large display for you today, so something a bit different to our usual small format stuff. This is fine pitch LED. So you may be aware we've used LED displays in the transparent form for some time now for advertising systems, and our customers are asking more and more about replacements for your traditional LCD video walls, and this is a really good example of how to do it. So these are fine pitch LEDs. This particular example is 1.56mm indoor design, so it's 500 nits because the LEDs are much smaller given the fine pitch, and I think you'll agree that it just looks fantastic. Completely seamless edge, so the LEDs do go right to the edge, so we can also do corners on these as well. So we have a profiled corner that we can use to make it a 90-degree edge. It's modular, so they're 250 by 250mm modules. So you can imagine this could be this particular size, or it could be the length of this wall. So you can just stack them up as required. We would also be offering these with an optional infrared touch sensor because these have GOB on them. So if you come a little bit closer, I'm not sure how well this will show on the camera, but these have a resin over the LEDs. So it's a completely smooth surface. This acts both to protect the LEDs and also give them a longer lifetime in public environments, because you don't want people coming up and touching the display and causing damage. As I said, this is 1.56mm pitch. We do go finer, so it does go down to 0.9mm, and you can go to much larger pitch as well. So if you're doing a much larger screen, you could actually reduce the pixel pitch, so you can reduce your overall cost. There are so many options with these displays, so it's best to give us a call. Come and see the unit. We've got it here in our showroom in Rochester, and we can have a chat about your projects. So one of the advantages of front maintenance LED screens, if you imagine this is in a store and something's happened, you've damaged part of the screen or something like that, these are hot swappable. So each of the modules is 250mm square, but you can replace them. So I've got a simple, it's actually a dent removal tool here, but it's a suction cup effectively that fits on front of the screens. For these to work, you do need to have the GOB, so you do need to have the resin on the front, so it has a flat front surface. So we can put the suction pad onto the screen and then simply remove one of the modules. As you can see, the module is a lovely square module, and it is a connector on board. So there's no ribbon cables or anything like that, and it is magnetized. So very, very simple. So you see the system continues to run as you would expect, and then you can just pop the replacement module back in as shown, remove the suction pad, and you're back up and running again. If you'd like more information, use the links below. We'll be happy to help.